Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today again, it is happening again, of which you don't need to miss it. The reason you have Progress the Analyst is to give you all the latest information because when you are not informed, what will happen? You will be deformed. And I don't want to say make that one be your portion. I want you to be informed of all the latest happening, especially what is happening in the land. Today again, the Biafra Liberation Army, another strong message again. I dey bring this thing dey come so that you go know how to communicate with your family so that they can stay safe anytime, any day. It is happening live. So my beautiful family, let us move into the reason why we are here and what you need to know.
If you don't want to lose lives, Tinubu or Eastern leaders, if you don't want to lose lives, release Nnamdi Kanu. The same way you release on the Igboho, release Nnamdi Kanu in that way. Onyezoku have come up again. Onyezoku have come up again, and I have spoken. I have spoken, and this is my word, and this is my powerful message to Tinubu and all the whole Eastern leaders. I don't have much to say than to release Nnamdi Kanu before this month runs up. Before this month we runs up, release Nnamdi Kanu. The same way you release Sunday Igboho, release Nnamdi Kanu in that way. I have told you, a great fire is coming upon the country. A great fire is coming upon Nigeria. A fire that nobody can quench it. I must tell you this. Be careful with Igbos. Igbos did not do anything in this society. We only want our freedom. And no Biafra, no peace. Onyezoku land again. This is me. I don't land again. Many have been talking rubbish. Many have been saying all sorts of things. I know where I am coming from, and I am still traveling again. I know where I have been before. I am still traveling. Any moment from now, I am still traveling. And my coming back again will be on fire. I just went and received this with some of the proper the tools. I only went to receive this with some of the tools. We are fully ready. Thank God everything has been signed to Biafrans. Thank God we have gotten all we need. Nigeria, Chekwenaka Oranyo, Chenaka or Biafrans. Unama Facebook Ibua. All Igbo leaders, Unama Facebook. Kamwaku Nezoku. All these things are not doko. All Unwakana Dotara. Makana Hagi Wegiricha, Ndeberabe Alala. Ofofokara Lunuao. Ofofora Lunuao. Would the Igbo leaders? Ofofokara Lunuao. I know there is one you will Pokua. And when much equal than to say goodbye to the people of Biafra. Goodbye to our people. Nigeria, the zoological country. I cannot say goodbye to you because I have come back again. And I stand Gidibam. This time around, and I go hear the sound of my chain. That time where the hungry una make una come collect, where una want come collect, una go hear the sound again. I am fully back. No matter say I will still travel any moment from now, but una go hear my hands, and una go hear my message, which I know that una go still deliver it. Una go deliver my message. We don't condemn the Ecuadorian. Huh? The honor. Onyezoku atuola. Awawa.
Biafra Liberation Army commander have spoke well. This Biafra Liberation Army, the resistance fighters, the general commander, on his way arriving from the Biafra Liberation Army, the commander, the general commander of Biafra Liberation Army, Igboho Batobia, Obumad and Bandana Toyota.
So my beloved family, a lot of people has not yet realized that Sunday Igboho is a free man. Some people will say, how did you know? The other day I upload a video about Sunday Igboho. I have already given the information. In fact, in his speech, he even appreciate the elders, the Oduduwa elders, for you to know the gravity of love and unity that reigned among the Oduduwas. Yes, all the Obas, high personnel people, they are in support of Sunday Igboho. You know, the other day I told you that before President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dreamt of becoming Nigeria president, like starting his campaign, they advised him that if you need a very solid foundation, if you need the support of the Yoruba people, you must first of all release Sunday Igboho. And a lot of people were telling me that I don't know what I am saying, that is not true. Come on. Come out from that your hive us and see the way the Yoruba people back their own, and see the way the Yoruba people they support their own. See, there is no two ways about it. So when you see the Biafra Liberation Army saying this, some persons will still say they are confused. Confused of what? When will this your confusion start to become reality? When will you make use of your akonushe? Abba, it is time you got to wake up or come out from that your high horse for you to realize what is happening. See, Sunday Igboho is a free man, either you like it or not. And it is now obvious and clear that if you notice, you will see that the Oduduwas are no longer in support of getting this Oduduwa Republic anymore. If you see them, you go know say their spirit don fall, their morale don fall, and you will also realize the reason why they are still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is obvious that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still refused their offer. That is what is happening. So my beloved family, I said let me bring all this to your notice so that you will know that there is two things, two ways, three other different branches that is happening while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not been released. My duty is to keep you updated. So you just need to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I give you all the update back to back on all the latest happening. So when you hear the Biafra Liberation Army now saying they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just like the way they release Sunday Igboho, don't be surprised. Of a truth, Sunday Igboho is a free man. Thank you so much. Till I come your way next time, I still remain Progress the Analyst. Share this video and bye bye.